Good morning, dear students. How are you? I think that you are very fine. What are you doing in your home? Eh? What are you doing? You already started our studies. So every day you should study something to continue your studies. Today we are going to study English subject. I will teach an English subject you, English reader and grammar also. In your English reader, total 15 lessons. Out of the 15 lessons, 6 lessons poems. And today, the starting day of English subject, we will start with the second lesson. Due to the time limitation, we avoided the first lesson. There is no need to study first lesson. First lesson छोड़ दिया. Then we will start from second lesson. Second lesson is a very simple poem. You can easily study this poem. There is no more work in this poem. So we will start with this second lesson. And the heading of the poem, the title of the poem, the Town Child Day. Town Child Day. We can understand some meaning from the topic of the poem. Town means a city. Ranapur is a city. Jagua is a city. Indore is a city. Then what is the opposite of town? What is opposite of city? Gaon. Village. In English we will say village. City opposite village. Here the child is living in a city. Any city. Ranapur or Jogate, Jagua, Rajkot, any city. So poem is very simple about a child. You are also children. Then this poem actually was written by an English poetess. It is not a poetess, female. This poem was written by a world famous English poetess. You know the name? Ian Thompson. Ian Thompson has written this poem. She worked as an associate professor in Florida University, and she wrote a number of poems. The country child, town child, number of poems. And out of her poems, this poem is very simple to learn and it's very simple to study. Number of meanings also we will get it from this poem. Then we can go to the poem. First, I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with the traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. Once again I will read it. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with the traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. This is the first stanza of this poem. Look here. The heading of the what is the topic of the poem? The Town Child Day. This poem was written by Ian Thompson. Don't forget the poet's name. Who has written this poem? The poem, The Town Child, has written by Ian Thompson. This is a question name. Who has written the poem, The Town Child Day? Answer: the poem, The Town Child, was written by Ian Thompson. Okay. We can study one lines in this poem. The first line: I live in the town in a street. This poem explains the feeling of a town child. We can call him, we can give one imaginary name. For example, Ashok. Ashok is our friend. And he is studying in class 6th. and he is living in a city. And this poem shows the feeling of Ashok, the town child. Where was he? He lived in the town in a street. Ashok was living in the city. Then in a street means city means street means geli. In a small road. His house in a street, in a city. I live in the town in a street. Where was he living? Answer: the town child was living in a street. The town child was living in a street in a city. Is it clear? This is the first line. I live. I means kone. I means Ashok. Ashok means the town child. Don't forget it. Ashok was living in the street in a city. I live in the town in a street. Then second line. It is crowded with the traffic and heat. Crowded. Now the picture you can see number of patients, boys, girls, older people, lot of people. This is a speciality of the city. But if you go to village area, there is no crowded people. Thick number of people. It is crowded with the traffic and feet. The traffic means number of vehicles, bike, car, jeep, lorry, buses, and feet. Feet means patients. Feet. It is crowded with the traffic and feet. Crowded means number of lot of people are residing in a city, especially a market we can see in our city also. Number of people are coming from the different areas of village areas. Come together, very congested areas. We can't move freely, we cannot walk freely through the street. Very crowded, number of people. And traffic is also, number of vehicles, number of patients. Very crowded. Actually, our town child Ashok, he does not interested to live in the city. Actually, he wanted to go to a village. He wanted to go to settle in village. He don't interested to. He does not interest to live in the city. Okay. Then, which are the other things in a city? There are buses. We know it. Very simple. There are buses. Number of buses. Bus stand buses. And motors and trams. Here this picture. Motors, trams also you can see this picture. There are buses and motors and trams. Actually, due to this projector, the picture is not clear. But I will send all these pictures to your WhatsApp. You can clearly watch these pictures also. You can see the pictures clearly in the mobile. This technical problem. You can watch the picture clearly. Then I will send this picture in your WhatsApp also. Look, there are buses and motors and trams. There are buses, number of buses, motors and trams. Trams picture. You can all things understand from these pictures. Then I live in the street in a city. There was a traffic law, number of traffic jam, feet, crowded people, buses, motors, trams. Then I wish there were meadows or lambs. It is not possibility. But our friend, the boy Ashok, he wanted, he wishes there was a meadows. Meadows means a green land. There was a meadows and then lambs. You can see the lambs here in this picture, the lambs. And green scenery also. And he wanted, he wishes there were in a city, if any possibility, let them see the meadows and the lambs. But it's no possibility in cities. It is only concrete road, concrete building, like that. There is no grasses in city. There is no trees in cities. There is no lambs in cities. And all things we can see in a village area. So he wanted to go to village. He does not interested to stay in city. Ashok, he wishes there were meadows and lambs. Once again, these are 4 lines. Once again, we will study. Once again, I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with the traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. The Shoghu, he wishes to live in a village and he wishes to meadows and lambs in the city. The balance part tomorrow we will study once again, and I will give a one work for you. Every student must do the work in your home. You should study this 4 line in your home. This poem you should study. अब learn करना, घर पे learn करना. Only 4 lines. Tomorrow I will ask. So everybody should ready to recite the poem. Only 4 lines you must study in your home. Today I will send the this pictures also in your mobiles. Okay, very good.